Hey, this is Chris, and what we're looking at here is Sydney Peak Rustic Gold, a thin patio set used as a ledgestone. You can see how the thinness of it allows to make these mini layers, gives a really beautiful rock wall look to it. And by using these thinner pieces, you're able to capture the many different color variations in the Sydney Peak stone. You've got some bronze, gold, obviously a lot of silver, gray, and a few color tones in between, a little bit of white quartz there. And what they did to give it a really nice natural field stone look is they tied it into this beautiful granite boulder. So sometimes with rock, smaller sizes are the more effective size to use to get a really beautiful look. And in this case, you kind of contrast in scale using about a 1-ton granite boulder with this really thin flagstone, giving this beautiful fieldstone wall look.